Hey, welcome back. Alright, today we're going to be doing another urn. This one's going to be in the shape of a heart, and then after we get this one done, we're going to make this one quick, and then I'll go ahead and make a butterfly one after this video. This is a piece of wood I got. It's just old recycled furniture, upcycling, you know. But alright, let's go. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, if you want to watch the video on how I flatten my slabs first, go ahead and hit this here, and it'll take you right to that video. Let's get this started. There, that's done. Just a little bit on the end here, so just clean that up. Not too big of a deal, just come in here and take a little bit off so it'll sit flat. I'm not really worried about this edge because we're not even going to be touching it. So, you know, that looks like it'll sit nice and flat on there. Alright, take this glue up, flip her over. Alright, I'll be back with you once I get this glued down. We're back. Got it all glued up. I had to reset my zero because we took some off, so got to reset it. So I'm going to go ahead and run the tool path now that'll just carve the shape of it out, just to clean everything up and make it look nice for the top of it, so I don't have to sand it that much. And we'll just go ahead and keep rolling with the files and you'll see how it comes out. Alright, enjoy. Well, obviously we had a little malfunction, folks. What happened was I went down too far and my tabs weren't running correctly. So I suffered the consequences, and so did this. It still works fine. It still goes around, you know. There's nothing wrong with it. That shows the true testament to what kind of abuse this thing can take. It pulled so hard, it pulled my face right out of the clamp. Alright, after that exciting moment, let's go ahead and work on this top now. Got a new piece mounted in there, it's thinner. This one's about 3/4 of an inch deep. We're going to go ahead and carve the pocket out for the epoxy, and then we'll cut it out. Hopefully our tabs hold this time.